Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove cells border in Apple number sheet. Open your number sheet and drag your mouse, select your cells you want to remove border. Now click on this top right corner format option table and now select cells option. You can remove only inside this border and select this no border option and see this only inside border you and again select. If you want to all border, select all border and select here no border and see this. No border already selected and undo. Already inside this border. Also remove inside this cells border and select this one inside and select here no border and see this. Also select this two border and I will select this center border and select no border and see this. Also select these two border and remove this center border. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.